Come test drive the 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, backup camera, alloy wheels, 1 owner, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Come take a test drive today.